Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today I have this little radio that's, I think, splash proof, maybe for in the shower or by the pool. I'm not sure what this part was, but it is connected to that part. I've already done some preliminary work on it. I think there's no batteries in here. Let's find out. We're going to play that game. Open. What in the world? It keeps screwing it. It eventually comes apart. So there's no batteries in here. I'll take that out later. I've already taken those screws out of there. Oh, didn't need the hammer this time, but see some copper wire running around it. That's cool. There's a little bit of brass right there. And we will find Mr. Snippers. Connect that wire. So that's, you are held together by a couple screws. And no juice, you can get it. And it's kind of cool. As soon as I did them, of course there's more screws. Why wouldn't there be? You are kidding me. And this one. And this one. Ribbon. Something tells me there's copper in this. Okay. Little thread, little copper. Put that there. This. That is not that exciting. It's a little bit of copper on here. And that's about it. So what's in here? Well, you got those screws off. Let's see if we can these off without. So I got the speakers out. And then with them comes a little magnet. With the speakers, there's a little bit of copper and a little bit of gooey substance, probably from, let's not talk about it. And we'll take this one out. Give me that. More. And then there's obviously more screws. That one out. Feels not aluminum. It'll come out. That is not aluminum. So this one guy doesn't want to come out. Almost grab it. There we go. Boink. And the ribbon. There's some silver there. There's a battery in here. Oops. Screws on the floor. That'll go in. Ooh. Looky, looky. Very nice. That will go into a separate pile. we will get that at another date. But there's been some little wires in here and some screws. Let's just take those out. Have to pull that off. That is the seal. So that's a wire. That's a seal. And let's see if we can pull these off. No, there we go. Just break it right off. That's my new magnet. Pretty strong. Usually speaker magnets aren't that great. These are good ones. Nice. And then this piece. Get off there. And here's. There we go. And that's garbage. And there's this little piece. We can grab it with this. Wins out. Nice. Little bits of copper. Little helps out. But it's not a lot to these things sometimes. There is some cool things. My screwdriver is not one of them. Thanks for watching.